sand in my shoes. Your name on the cracked screen blue. Wind draws lines on my tired face. I breathe you in like a colder place. Every mile a question. Will you feel this too? Empty in the rear view, filling up with you. Silent stars to shimmer somewhere past the dunes. I'm almost at the edge, I'm almost at the truth. Weightless over dunes tonight, falling through the starlit silence. Your ghost in every grain of light, so far away, feels like guidance. Hold me in this endless sky until the dark forgets our names. Weightless over dunes tonight, and still I call you, still I call your name. Still I call your name. Still I call your name. Far towns fade like a distant thought. Your laugh is the sound I lost. Moon hangs low on a silver thread. I chase the light we almost had. Every mile a question burning in my chest. Is there some horizon where our shadows rest? Air is getting thinner, time begins to bend. I'm nowhere on the map, I'm closer than I've been. Weightless over dunes tonight, I'm falling through the starlit silence. Your ghost in every grain of light, so far away, it feels like guidance. Hold me in this endless sky until the dark forgets our names. Weightless over dunes tonight, and still I call you, still I call your name. Headlights fade, but the stars stay on. Your shape in the space between songs. If you ever feel this desert in your chest,